AI videos is not easy to make. You got to go for images and then you need to search for the perfect scenes and then animation, and all of a sudden it's become super challenging. But what if you could just do it all at once and never compromise on quality? This is what we have been experiencing with this incredible AI tool called Mootion. Let me spell it out: Mootion. You can create beautiful bedtime stories for children without revealing your face or recording video. And if you got a niche brand idea and you are into the market, Mootion enables you to achieve it in a professional way. But the most fascinating, and this is by the far most interesting of all feature, is the agentic video workflow, which basically means you can just put in and describe what you want. From picking the scenes to editing and animating, it just brings all out for you with such astonishing outcome. They have also added AI image editing, so if you need to fix or tweak anything, you can do it right there without switching apps. It's really super handy. But here's what really blew me away. You can now create animation in just 10 seconds. Seriously, drop in your image and boom, it's bring them to life. It's fast, smooth, and honestly kind of addictive. You can create videos in several niches. Simply select your favorite topic and AI will handle the rest. Alright, now is the time to build up, but how do you make the best AI videos with the tool? First, you can see that there is a first column called Use My Content. So choose Use My Content, paste your comprehensive prompt, then configure language, aspect ratio, and visual style. When you click generate, you will see a complete storyboard. Edit the dialogues, delete or add new lines, and customize it to your liking. Now let's return to generate from content. So basically this is where you can write your idea, what style of shorts you want to create. You can also write directly in Mootion Storyteller without using ChatGPT. It's easier, more convenient, and produce brilliant outcomes. From here you can select video ratio 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. So I will use a 9:16 ratio for TikTok videos. There are several types of designs available here, including retro, comics, 3D cartoons, anime style, painting, line art, and so on. So I will go with retro comics. So as you can see, the AI generates the video and some photographs. Now for the most crucial part, you can add subtitles. So for example, if you want to add subtitle to a video, I will select this one. You can also use a thumbnail, but I will keep things easy. Once you have mastered it, click next to begin the customization process, which includes titles, subtitles, thumbnails, transitions, voiceover, and many more. When you hit composite, your video will be ready to go. You can apply screen effects like as mini zoom, in bounds, or no effect. So I will go with mini zoom. You are capable of making a transaction. For example, I will go with slide. You may check the various sort of voiceover available here. Now I will click composite and our video will be generated. This is the summary of our video as well as hashtag to use when submitting it to social media. So the video contains a total of 8 scenes. You can download this as a thumbnail or as a video. So I will download a video and show it to you.
Once upon a time, in a small town of Whimsyville, lived two adventurous teenagers named Max and Lily. Max, with his untamed mop of brown hair, was known for his boundless curiosity and knack for finding trouble, while Lily, sporting bright red pigtails, was the town's resident bookworm with a keen sense of caution.
Alright guys, you can see that how it created this beautiful video. Another advantage of using this tool is create TikTok shorts. They are all longer than 1 minute and hence qualify for the YouTube creativity program. Now let us look at the video to video functionality. First, select the video to video option and upload your video. Once your video is completed, your video will look like this. You can use just the audio, just a video, or both depending on your need. It's pretty quick. This is where I downloaded a storyboard and scene. There are a few customization options available. Begin by selecting the aspect ratio. Next, select a visual style. You have various alternatives including photorealistic, clay art, painting, anime, line art, and many more. When you are satisfied with the settings, click the transcript button. In a matter of seconds, it will build a compressive video edit script. You can change the script and add new lines and remove anything you don't need. After you have customized your script, click the generate button. Mootion.com will now construct scenes from your original video, including audio and images. You will be able to preview all of the scenes and dialogue. If something does not fit, simply change or edit it. Now click next to proceed to the last customization panel. Here you can change the video arrangement. Select from overlays such as circle left, circle right, top, bottom, and more. Then choose a title and subtitle style that match your theme. You can also upload the thumbnail. Looking to add some effects, choose from several options such as zoom, burn, shaking, and more. You can also choose your desired transition style between scenes. If you want background music, choose your favorite tune. Finally, when everything looks good, click the compose button. Mootion.com will quickly create a personalized video. So Mootion, compared to other tools, really stand out in so many ways. It provides a unique way to transform your thoughts into visual narrative without the headache video editing. There are no costly equipment or complicated tools, only creativity and a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Try it yourself and see how easy and enjoyable it is to create professional looking videos. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And if you have any question or queries related to this video, then don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI tools, then definitely watch this playlist.